Y and this is not. It's not so too. Random stage. Oh, 3-3. You could also customize your own character, right?
Yeah. It was like you can customize your uniform, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Yo, Dortmund. Borussia.
Now this one is kind of basic though. That's also R2. R1.
Cresta. Wow. Yeah. Ooh, that sidestep, you saw that? You wanna do that too?
I wanna do that too. Ooh. Also have super jumps, right?
Yeah. Right.
No. Come on, baby. Or like, what do American people say? Come on, baby, and excited.
Fuck. Combo up. It's okay. I study good.
No. I didn't believe.
Ah, damn. You cannot totally counter on of everything. It's okay.
I pushed the shit out of the. No! Yo! He juggling. No! Oh. Bra. Shinchoryuken. He got those.
Oh, damn!
Oh, no. Oh! Yo! Oh, I'ma play lane, man. Time over. She was tense.
Let's see Akira's color though.
Akira's color?
Yeah, I pushed R1.
Ooh, I like that one
nice.
too. I mean, black and white.
It's you, right?
Oh, nice. Hey. Oh. Ooh, nice.
Nah, it doesn't work.
Oh, fuck. Hey, No. No!
Clashes to see.
No!
I'm so
Yo,
dumb.
I'm just doing shit. I got Shoryukens too. Shimata.
Oh.
No, I didn't want to do that.
Oh, nice. How can I gonna come into it?
Maybe you can't do certain moves. Oh. Damare, yo. No! Nice.
I go back with Roberto because
I'll try Roy too.
I mean I love Akira, but I'm like, what I'm doing?
She's a bit difficult, right?
Yeah. It's
No, I like his color. I like Roberto's color.
yeah, it's great. Wow.
Ooh, that's the overhead. When you have those dogs. Come on, baby. Volleyball. Smash.
Jump. I'm mashing.
No. That's a fucking grab.
We believe. We believe in Roberto.
Yo. DP.
I am Lee
Yo,
Chong.
I love this game, man. Natsu. Natsu? Natsu. Natsu 2.
Yo, 2 Robertos.
An army of Robertos.
Wow,
Okay.
the color.
Your color isn't great.
It's like. What?
Ooh.
Cannot trauma in this game.
Ah, the range.
Ooh.
Yo, the whiff punch. Yo,
Oh, that color looks great.
nice color, yeah. Oh, I stepped that. Bushy buggity! Oh.
No,
Yo.
I was doing the.
You was doing nothing.
I switched to Kyosuke though. I don't know what Kyosuke does. I know he has the cross cutter.
Round 2. Fight.
Yeah, he's a CB. Okay.
What?
No. It's light,
Oh, that's a P.
light, medium. Okay. Doesn't work when you're back turned.
Oh, sweet.
No. No.
Why
Yeah,
does
that
this
punish though.
work?
They kind of look the same. But
Yeah.
the meaty, it worked. No. My volleyball.
Chop. Chop. Perdido.
I'm dead. That was nice.
Victory.
Alright, let's stick to nuts. Cause I wanna dance on your ass.
Final round. Fight.
I'm not feeling that color, man. You can.
Yeah, I can. I wanna try, but. Yeah.
Wow.
I have no life. I don't need that. Love Giselle. No.
You're
a
Yo.
Murafuke.
The Anna dance.
I actually let you win because I want to do the reflex. So
Last one.
let's do the last one. Yeah. For the last one, I go with team Roberto. The greatest team.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
It's true.
And even in the second game, Project Just, you can pick 3 Robertos.
Yo,
Oh,
best
them colors,
colors.
though.
This is best colors, man. Actually, Roberto and Edge were also present in the demo.
Yeah, those were our characters, man. Also, Akira was also in there, and Chom.
No.
Tari counter.
Yeah.
No. We got combos. No.
Yo, you push the button. Oh, I like the color too.
Oh, I want to do the launcher, but it's okay.
No! Oh no! Yeah. Kyoko. What's that color?
I think the color that I have will make Gabe really happy because it's
Portugal. Portugal, kinda.
like green and red.
No.
Can you start?
Oh, hurry.
Yeah.
No. I'm whiffing.
Oh no!
Hey.
Victory!
Let's go with Dortmund, Roberto.
You tried. I'll stick with Kyoko.
Final round!
Schooner is doing some work. Fuck. Oh,
That's
nice.
very good.
No, no.
No, doesn't work.
Oh, fuck.
You jump it.
The hard read. Oh, nice.
We got confirms.
That was nice. I can't even be mad about that. Yo, two Robertos.
It's like the two Robertos in the illustration. Roberto wins.
Yeah, so this is it. Some nice rival schools matches, man. I really hope that Capcom just gives us a new rival schools down the line. I mean, everyone is talking about Street Fighter 6, but I want Darkstalkers or rival schools, man.
Yeah.
Or do a Capcom fighting game with Capcom All Stars with rival school characters and Darkstalkers characters.
Yeah, and put me in the game.
Yeah, put Roberto in the game, man. What you waiting for? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. This was a bit of a retro, go back in time and nostalgic kind of feeling for us. And see you guys on the next one.
Yeah. Peace.